to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is speaking on this because he's saying that there's, this young lady that is asking the question, why is Miss Donna or Donna in Jamaica? Now, basically, he's saying that it's her business as to why she would want to be in Jamaica, and she's free to go and come as she likes because that is where she grew up and spent 50 years of her life. And he's saying that, whatever she wants to do, she's free to do. She's able to travel wherever she wants to go. And he also spoke about her cake. He spoke about, people being not being mindful of, the fact that she's able to do whatever she wants to do because she's an adult. She's able to go wherever she wants to go. And if she do have, the resources to travel, then she can travel. So he's saying that, people need to mind their own business and just leave her alone now because it's time to stop. So go and catch the video and hear what Dwayne has to say. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and friends, my supporters, my followers, my family, whatever you may call me out there, my subscribers, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. And remember, no matter what you do, people are going to speak. You could hide, you could make it public. People are going to talk about you. So it is said that you have to, just not look at or listen to what people have to say about you because people will talk. They have their mouths for that reason and they're going to use it for that reason. So just remember, keep your head on your body, and don't matter. Don't listen to what people have to say about you. Just know and believe in what you believe in about yourself. Sometimes it may be rough because of what they may say, but come on, don't listen to them. Listen to yourself and your heart. Have yourselves a beautiful day, guys.
Trust me, I'll be out there doing great things. I'll be doing a lot of things out there, girl. I'm telling you, the opportunity what God give you right now to go out there into the world and make something so meaningful out to your life. You take care of it on social media. A drag woman, I is a damn woman yourself. You see, a workless. You're a workless woman. Stop it, girl. Stop it. No one can get Jamaica, she want to Jamaica, I don't a Jamaica neighbor string cut. Don't a Jamrock, our neighbor string cut. You know, understand? And she lived the 50 plus years of her life. You see, you're a damn fool. You're dark till you're fool. He's a damn mascot. Go learn. Go on to school. Go to school and you can't cuss me. You can't cuss me, girl. So go up your level, go up your level, I dare you. Go up your level and try to cuss me. Go and do it. Jealousy and name out her soul. Jealousy and I know she want. Enough of them, jealousy and name them. Me don't never say jealousy of them, me to a lie in what hell. Me not look past, me not look past somebody. I'm not looking. I am not looking at backside. Me tell you already, when me cuss for, I had reason to cuss. You understand? But them don't have no reason. Not one of them can say, yo, sister, I'm Donna do me this. And Donna do me this. And Donna do me this. Why I'm really upset. Them cannot do it. Then not one of them can do it. Not one of them can say, yo, don't want to do that. Not them can't do it. The way remember you are boss. The way remember you are boss. That's so called. What you say what? What you say? The way remember you are boss. That so called girl there. Well, want yeah, man, she want to be man for you, she want to be man. I don't want boss, I feel like a people over here. But I'm tired, I am tired to see this girl, most of our live stream, earthquake, earthquake, earthquake. But if you stop it, go love yourself. Go and love yourself. Listen, go and breathe. Remember, you will soon dry up. Go breathe, girl, because you will soon dry up. And like me, where a man, want me a same tear, me can't go bust a girl front and breathe him. Go breathe. Out to go with the old and grey. Out is gonna go with the old and grey. At least the woman have what? 2, 3, 4 children. She good. Come on for her back, girl. What mark have you made in the world that where you can say, yo, I have impacted that. You cannot call 3 people where say I've impacted that one there, other one there in no kind of meaningful way. Come on from my back, girl. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. Go be a 2 cake. Go and bake 2 cake. They say on the 2 bad man. Cause let's be real, on the love to have a woman cake. Woman cake nice. Come in here and it tastes good. Yes, they junk me a little bit, but they are nice. Come off the woman back, girl. Come after the woman back. You're doing too much. Go love yourself. Go and love yourself. Yes, the people who hate themselves, they love to hate other people too. You have to hate, you have to hate yourself for you to be getting up every day and I do the woman so and not just I draw the woman look a pit and look the woman like a minor child in your big stinking man royal mode. Move, man. Move. Go breed. Go and breed. Go have a child. Go and have a child, girl. You're doing too much. I'm tired, I don't know. Hey, you know what I say? God don't mistake, you know. I got to the man royal. Can you see that? You're the crosses. That's the brass man royal. Crutches nyama. Front liquor. Carpet muncher. Go get a life. Come on for the woman back. She don't love woman. She love sachets. She don't love crutches. She loves sachets. She said all the time. She said all the time. No woman, she always say, no woman now blow in my face. A man, you know, see the life enough time. And he say, Planka, let me show him my cock on my foot them. And he goes, so, you don't see it, girl. You never see it. She loves sachets. Even though she said it in a funny way, all of us who's looking, we know what she meant. Move fast, girl. Go get one man for suck your crutches. You're doing too much. No, you're doing too much. And people, you know, say, me not want somebody, hello, I am not cursing nobody. Me not curse somebody. But the girl doing too much. And I am tired of her. Yes, be real. Everything. Earthquake, yeah. What? You have a business, girl? Do you have a business? How much money you make a one time? Make we talk about money. How much money making a one time? You look if you get 3,000. Girl, you're too bad, man. You're too damn bad, man. Come on for the woman back. Come on for her back. Go breed. And come on for little son back to go breed. Me tell you, you will soon dry up. It's soon dry up. Cause me sure see in your 30s, I push 30 yard, right? Which means say, you're gonna have X amount of years to go before you will dry up. You're tan there. You're tan over water. She push out 3 pitney and adapt 1. You're doing too much. Go breed. Go and breed. Stop laugh. I'm gonna stop laugh. I'm not stop laugh. Oh, yeah, laugh. Stop. Just stop laugh. Cause true me attack. She doing too much. She doing too much. I'm tired of the girl, man. Everything. She want to dry and the woman come minus in a big stinking man royal mode. Go breed, man. Go breed. Go and breed. Go push out and pitney. You know what I'm saying? Why you could say? You know what I'm saying? Me rate that woman because you know what I'm saying? As bad as things may be, then cuss her go. I'm cuss him to cause in trouble me. But then cuss her go and cuss her come. Cuss her go and the amount of people you know stupid like the other day. Your rain is about to be graduating soon and then pay off his school fee. Hello, over there. Wanna forget? I'm going to go. I left the one alone. Right, that's a girl. Them doing too much. Talk the truth, God love. Talk the damn truth, God love. Them is doing too much. And everything, they want to join the woman like a son and them big stinky mouth. No move, man, go breathe. Go and breathe. And I'm not cursing, hello? I am not cursing. I'm not. I tell her the truth. I'm not sugar bet. And she walk up and like, oh, and cuss my girl. You cuss by yourself. What me tell her my life? I don't remember you. You're crosses. And I make God telling a man right, kind of say you're going to be a damn bitter girl. I'm trying for the grace you're a damn bitter girl. You're bitter plus tax. Where you go? It's not where it is, sir. It's not where they are. Yes, if you go breed, go and breed. Go breed. It's just that girl. Whoever you is. You know, since I have a son, I can't no one telling. I can't no one tell. I have a child, girl. I have a child. I can't never come to contact. Long time, I look from me. I'm 18. Me breed one girl. Me breed one African girl. Go away. Go breed. Go tell man life. Go breed. I'm coming to my ass back. Excuse me, like what to the truth. She doing too much. She doing too much. I am tired. I am tired. Everything earthquake. Go. Listen. Start the live streams on how to be a demure queen. Start the live streams on how to be a demure. I bet you don't even know the meaning of demure. Go start this live stream on that and act accordingly. Go start that. Go and teach your fathers how to be a woman. Go start that. With ethics, values, and principles. And stop what you can drag down a sister. The woman could be your mother. The woman could be your mother. I mean, no one ever say, oh, do it. I had reason. You don't have no reason to talk with a woman. None at all. In no way, shape, or form. Go breed. And go make something out of your life. Go and make something out of your damn miserable, sad life. Charmin, don't laugh, girl. Don't laugh. Don't laugh, girl. I really think I'm talking, Don't laugh. Can't bother them. I'm telling the people, telling them. I am not cursing, but I'm telling them the truth. Come off the woman damn back on. They're doing too much. Let the woman prosper. Make the woman prosper. Give her name a break now. That goes for the water we all me too. Wanna give the woman name a break. Go say, wow. What you call people? What you call the people there? A fertility specialist first. Go and see a fertility specialist first. Because I'm sure one woman can't breed him. Before you come, one woman cannot breed you. So darling, go and see a fertility specialist. Just those when you come for me. Me a man, and me can't breed sitting. Oh, and you and everyone, one woman can't breed you. And can't breed you. Go see a fertility specialist. You understand? Yeah. Anything you cost me say, me about to man, alright girl, alright. Me go the way I saw. I am not like you, I am not hateful. You're doing too much. And I don't care. Come off with the woman back. Everything you talk with the woman, you talk about her son, her little son. You have son. You have a child. You have a child, girl. And you know me realize though, especially you look body shame her. Go look in the mirror. You see, I see a 3-year-old and 25-year-old where I saw. You don't stay good, girl. You don't stay good. Come on for the woman back. You don't stay good. You don't cute. You're not petite. You're big. You're big like one shit, girl. I'm telling you the truth. You're big like one shit. So how dare you come where you want to come body shit, woman, and you big like one shit too? Move. Move up. I'm gonna beg God for a life. You're too damn sad. You're too damn sad. And this head out pause. I am not discriminating big people. But this girl, she don't come out to come discriminate the woman. So to me, I am big too. Hello, I am big. I am big. So I feel like she discriminating me too. So out there, she come to want come discriminate the woman because the woman big. And she big plus tax too. Without too long slippers and long as so. Don't move for yourself for the one damn back. I'm tired of you. I don't care about the number. I do not care about the number because tomorrow you're not gonna sit over here. I don't care about the damn number. I don't care. But right is right and wrong is wrong. You understand? You understand them all them over there. They not comment. Girl, go on, man. Alright, exactly. Me big and lean up. Old flipper. Alright. Well said, Windy. You see it? I am big and lean up and me an old flipper. So yes, God, that's my point. Oh dear, this girl come on. Wendy, me know how this this me. But fear is fear. I am big. But oh dear, this girl, I go up on her page. And a class to say the woman big. And a body shame her when she big too. She big. The girl big. She big. Yes, I know right from wrong. Yes, I do know right from wrong. That's why I'm going to stop the nonsense. Do you know right from wrong? As I talk, because you are flex. Are you a flex? Are you a flex? But flex is going to sit right there. Come on for the woman, but go breathe. Go and push her on picnic. Go check our fertility specialist. I come for the woman damn back. You do it too much. Everything earthquake. I don't hear her. I don't hear her. She always say big greyback people. And she always say me big too. Move. I go black you. I go if I say what I go black your ass. I go to black your ass. Say what? I go black you. Come off my page. I am tired of one. Come off my ass back. I'm gonna breed. You hello, Wind. I am big and lean up, you know. I lean up. Alright, right about now, I am a C. Come it's my stuck so. I the piece of chair, the rest are catch me up. You understand? Yes, girl. It takes a gems to know another gems. It takes one gems to know another gems. You see it? What your gems to me your gems. So the what your gems, it's fine. It is fine. You can't cuss me. You can't tell me nothing gonna hurt me. But right is right and right is right and wrong is wrong. Every damn day flex go put that page. Earthquake. You know you're talking about Curly. You know you're talking about Tina Chin. You know you're talking about Lorraine. Come for the woman back. Come on for the woman back. Go chat about Curly. Go chat about Ashanti. Go chat about Lorraine. Go chat about Lady D. Chat about me. Chat about everybody. Everything earthquake. Go beg God for a life. Watch backward germs. I go black you know. Come off. You know, come back on these people them. Come off my page. And go pray to God and beg God for your life. Come off. I would not come to this body. Go away. Off the damn page. It's all harder. No more coming for you. Take a black and move on. Go build the next page. Go and build the next page. People, let's be real. Let's be fair now. You can't chat about Curly. You can't chat about Maxine. You can't chat about me. You can't chat about Lorraine. Shit, you can't chat about Michelle appeal. You can't chat about Bob. Bob said you can't chat about Wiz Harry. You can't chat about Gracie. Everything plank. Come on for your back. You do it too much. Come on for your back. You don't. You did nothing to help. You did nothing to help elevate that woman's life. Nothing at all. Move. You don't have no chat. Are the people in your chat? Not you. You can't be a baker. I don't care. We can keep the nice. I want of people buy our cake. How much cake you make people buy from there? Move. Jealousy got bad men are gonna name you. Bad men are gonna cancel your damn miserable life, girl. Back up off the woman back. I don't care. I don't care why. I don't care why. I don't give a caca who want eating from today. I don't give one raw soul. Actually, I'm just talking straight and done. I don't give one box I don't want you. I don't care. But right is right and wrong is wrong. Everything you have to come class to, man. Come class in any wall. And beg God for rejuvenate it. Sorry. Sorry, I'm not get out. Sorry. I'm done. I'm done. Hello? Don't cuss me. You tell me about to my lean up. Okay. Tell me something tell me something I don't know about myself. Tell me something I don't know about myself. Start there. But let's real people. I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm not tired. Sophie, you're not tired. Paul, you're not tired. I'm not tired. I am tired. I am damn tired. I'm tired plus tax. I'm tired. You know, I'm tired to them people here. Let's come out and just drag people. So just drag. And don't want to stop none at all. Everything drag. Everything so. Move, man. And when they're not, they might want to come drag like babies. Exactly, Pink. And Pink, I'm telling you something. The girl come, she come here and she tricked me. The one of them tricked me. I trickster them. Because I remember one time I said, yo, don't tie with a woman, so I start chilling that tune. And as soon as I get in the Instagram, I follow us, Mr. Ratted Clad. If I had known, someone who could have never get the bus. Never. Me not cuss somebody, girl. Me not cuss somebody. Me tell her the truth. Me not cuss somebody. I'm not cursing nobody. She need to go beg God for your life. Go and beg God for a life because he is miserable and he is cantankerous and he is very chaotic. You need something, go find something else to do.